Oh my God, Amazon is launching a brand new tool just as the end of July. If you don't know, I'll let you know. My name's John Roski. I'm here with my Amazon guy. Let's get into this. So what they launched was this thing called the targeting tab. Before it was they launched the budgets in beta, but now they're moving on to newer, bigger things. This targeting tab will help you dive deeper into all of your metrics and also optimize and move around your campaigns faster than you ever knew. On top of that, they're showing you some new little tricks on your top performers so you don't have to go around finding stuff through the business report, trying to find things that way. It's all in one convenient area in your campaign manager. You can even find out your bottom performers so you don't have to you don't have to keep targeting them anymore. The impressions and clicks and orders, I don't know why they don't give you other metrics like conversions on this. It would help a lot more in cost, but it's a brand new targeting system in their toolkit, so we can take what we get for Amazon. The way this works is it allows you to filter it by campaigns, ad groups, active statuses, bids, impressions, just like your normal filter system on here. But when you start to go through it, you can start to see more detailed way of adjusting your bids on the fly. You can see what ad group it's in. You can find out what keyword it is that's doing the metric that you want to track or you want to see. You want to go down to see what's spending the most. You want to see something that's spending over the target price of the product. We'll just put $25 in. We'll hit apply, boom, and then we'll see what campaigns are spending the most amount of money so we can go in and fix this a lot faster. Now, I don't know about you, but this tool will increase a lot of people's speeds across the board. And I think Amazon's trying to fight the AIs out there and trying to find things and opportunities to keep people on Amazon Campaign Manager so they don't start going to those third parties and pulling all the API off and using and manipulating the system that way. I think this is a really good tool that's going to come with really big features down the line. It's definitely going to help everyone, especially those novice out there who are just trying to learn the system and find out information on a quick fly. Play around with it, get involved with it, figure out what you can do with it because we're all brand new to this system as it just launched, and I can't wait to dive in and for me and Steven to create more videos on this. So again, John Roski here at Amazon, my Amazon guy, just pumping new information out. Come into the streams on Friday, talk to us. We'll love to answer questions. Steven's always there.